Welcome to Motivo Talks, where every day we share stories that will spark a shift in your perspective. If you're ready to change the way you see the world, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today's story has the power to completely transform the way you think and speak English. Today, we're not just talking about English, we're changing the way you speak it. I'm going to reveal something that no one ever shared with you. By the end of this video, you'll look in the mirror and say, I can finally speak with confidence. I understand how to train my mouth to speak English. So, stick with me till the end. Now, let me ask you, how many videos have you watched about improving your English? How many grammar lessons have you memorized? How many hours have you spent listening quietly? But when it's time to speak, you freeze. Your lips don't move, your tongue feels heavy, and your brain goes blank. It's not because you're not good enough, and it's definitely not because your English is terrible. It's because your mouth is untrained. Yes, you heard me right. This is the truth no one told you. You've been learning grammar, vocabulary, and listening, but you haven't been training your mouth to speak. That's why you get stuck, why you lose confidence when you try to speak. Here's the hard truth. English is not just a mental task. It's physical. It's in your lips, your tongue, your jaw, and the flow of your speech. And until you train those muscles, you'll always feel like something's missing. But today, that's going to change. This video is not your typical grammar lesson. It's not a repeat after me kind of video. We're going to break down the barriers, activate your mouth, and start building real fluency from the very beginning. And no, you don't need to be perfect. You don't need a fancy accent. You don't need to spend hundreds on courses. All you need is 5 minutes a day, the right approach, and the willingness to sound like a beginner so you can eventually become fluent. This video is the one I wish I had when I started. It's the truth your teacher never told you. And now, it's your turn to stop just learning English and start speaking it like it's your first language. Let's dive in. Part 1. The Hidden Truth. Here's something shocking. Your mouth doesn't know how to move like a native English speaker. It's not your vocabulary, grammar, or memory. It's your mouth. You've been focusing on your brain, but not on your mouth muscles. That's why when you try to speak, it feels slow, broken, or awkward. English is a physical language with its own rhythm, shape, and sounds, and your mouth has never learned how to move for it. Think about it like this. Imagine reading 100 books on how to do push-ups. You'd know the technique perfectly. You could explain it to anyone. But when it's time to actually do a push-up, you collapse. Why? Because your muscles aren't trained. That's exactly what's happening when you try to speak English. You know the words, but your mouth isn't trained to speak quickly, smoothly, and confidently. Your tongue, lips, and jaw, those muscles are lazy. They're used to the rhythm of your native language. They don't know how to move for English. And when your mouth isn't trained, that's why you freeze when it's time to speak. Part 2. The 5-minute daily routine for your mouth. Here's my bold promise. If you dedicate just 5 minutes a day for the next 30 days, your English will sound different. It's not about how long you practice. It's about how you practice. Your goal isn't to become fluent overnight, but to build small, repeatable habits that train your mouth muscles. Just like brushing your teeth, you need to train your mouth every day. Let's break down the exact 5-minute routine. Step 1. Warm up your mouth 1 minute. Just like warming up your body before exercise, your mouth needs to be prepared too. Here's what to do. A lip rolls. Buzz your lips like a motorbike for 5 seconds 3 times. Tongue stretch. Push your tongue out and in slowly, 10 times. Jaw loosening. Open and close your mouth wide, 5 times. Smile stretch. Stretch your smile as wide as you can and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat twice. Step 2. Mirror technique, 1 minute. Stand in front of a mirror and look into your own eyes. Pick a simple sentence like, "I'm learning to speak English confidently." Repeat it 5 times, getting slightly faster each time. Focus on how your lips, tongue, and jaw move. This technique will build your confidence and make you more aware of how your mouth moves when you speak. Step 3. Shadow speaking, 2 minutes. Choose a short audio clip, about 5 to 10 seconds, and immediately repeat it. Match the rhythm, tone, and speed exactly. This technique will help you train your mouth to react quickly, just like a native speaker. Step 4. Fluency loop, 1 minute. Pick a sentence like, "I'm going to improve my English." Start by saying it slowly, then at a normal speed, and finally quickly. Repeat this loop 3 times to get comfortable with different speaking speeds. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope this routine helps you start training your mouth to speak English confidently. Remember, just 5 minutes a day is enough to see a real change. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with anyone who needs this motivation. Stay consistent, keep practicing, and remember, English is not just a language, it's your voice.